Today I'm going to show y'all how to fix your ABS system on a 98 to a 2002 Chevy Silverado. Now, I got a 1500 here. Now, I done gone to the mechanic and he done told me that new ABS module or something like that gonna run me around $2 grand. And I said to hell with that. So I'm gonna teach you how to fix your ABS system. You're gonna come over here to this box, pop the box lid off. As you can tell, it go ahead and say on this lid ABS. So what we gonna do, we gonna pull that fuse out. Now that fuse is good, it's a good fuse, but now you ain't putting any power to that ABS system. And let me tell you, it works like a dream. Now, this is your redneck tip of the day, so if this helped you out, which I hope it done did, you let me know, and I hope I saved y'all a lot of money and heartache. Y'all have a nice day.